Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I will show how you can change launcher in VIVO. So first and foremost, you will need to download whatever launcher you would like to, change the default preference to. The one that I'm going to use is the iOS launcher, so let me download the app that allows me to set it. Then open whatever app you have pretty much went for. You might also encounter the ads, so skip them all. And then inside the app, it should, suggest that you set it as your default launcher. So here is the launcher iOS 16 option. And as you can see, my default system launcher was changed. The more generic way of approaching it is to download the app that is the launcher, then go into settings, applications and permissions. It's going to be the permission management, I think. Then go for the default app settings and open the home screen. And over here, just switch the default system launcher to whatever custom launcher you have downloaded. So that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.